This is the first algebra section, problem number 8. Lena made 32 ounces of fruit drink using pineapple and grapefruit juice. Now, I personally like to use P and G to mean pineapple and grapefruit, but they used X and Y, so it'll be all right. The number of ounces is 5 more than 2 times the number of grapefruit juice in the fruit drink mix. Which graph shows the number of ounces of pineapple juice? Okay, X. X is the ounces of pineapple, and Y is the number of ounces of grapefruit. It's very important to quantify. In other words, X doesn't mean pineapple juice. X means the amount of pineapple juice. Okay? Y isn't just grapefruit juice. Y is the amount of grapefruit in the entire 32. So if you've got all of the pineapple juice that you added and all of the grapefruit juice that you added, that just means that X plus Y has to equal 32. So that's one of your equations. It's just a quantity equation. Okay? Now the next part says the number of ounces of pineapple juice in the mix is 5 more than 2 times the number of grapefruit. Okay? So the number of ounces of pineapple is 5 more. That means you're adding 5 more than 2 times the number of grapefruit. So 2y. If you doubled the amount of grapefruit and added 5, that's what your X would look like. Okay? So X equals 2y plus 5. Or you'll notice I see some that look like this. If you subtracted 5 from both sides just to rearrange, this would be X minus 5 is equal to 2y. Now, it doesn't matter which one of those you do, but I'm just saying that this one and this one are equivalent. Okay? And then if you look at this equation, this is the other one, X plus Y equals 32. So the first thing I want to look at is that one has an X plus Y equals 32. That one has an X plus Y equals 32. The other two do not, which means you can go ahead and mark those off. Those are not the answers, okay? So that's a no, and that's a no, all right? And then looking at the Y value, X equals 2y plus 5 or X minus 5 equals 2y. They're the same ones. This one says X plus 5 equals 2y. There's X minus 5 equals 2y, which means that that one is not correct. So the answer to this problem is A. All right, so moving on to the next problem. That's your redemption problem. Kind of hard to see. Your teacher will probably have a printout copy of it too. But if you will pause your screen, it says Mr. Frankel bought 7 tickets to a puppet show and spent $43. He bought a combination of child tickets for $4 and adult tickets for $9. Which system of equations below will determine the number of adult tickets and the number of child tickets? So A is adult, C is child, child is 4, adult is 9, and he bought a total of 7, spent $43. So take a look at that, try to write that equation, check it with your teacher to make sure you got it right. Good luck.